Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech, and today I'm gonna show you some examples of the camera of the Samsung A8 2018. So if any of you is looking for a new mid-range phone and you want to see the camera of this Samsung A8, I compare it with the iPhone X for you to see how good is the camera for this Samsung A8 2018. I compared it with the iPhone X. Okay, so yeah, so this video is just all about that camera test. So if you want to look at it, just continue on this video. Okay, before that, by the way, so we have the Samsung A8 2018 with a 16 megapixel camera. It has just one lens with 1.7 aperture, but of course the iPhone X, it has a dual camera of 12 megapixel with a really nice aperture of 1.8 and 2.4. So of course, obviously the iPhone X will give you a really nice camera than the actual Samsung A8 2018. But yeah, just to make sure you are aware of this video, it's just gonna be checking how good the camera for this Samsung Galaxy A8. Okay, so yeah, just continue for this video, and there you go. Okay guys, so that's gonna be just the photos when I was in London. So just taking a few bits and pieces, and you can see there are some really good photos that this Samsung A8 2018 took. It's not too bad, to be honest. It's not a lot of difference, but you can see if you look at it like detail by detail, of course the iPhone 10 will gonna give you really good photos. So yeah, just to confirm that, that's going to be the Samsung A8 2018 model camera test. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and yeah, don't forget, if you have any question, just give me a shout, put that in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer that for you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. Okay, so thank you for watching, and goodbye.